Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this creamy keto taco soup. Hey guys, let's get started with this creamy keto taco soup. So good. We're going to start with 1 pound of ground beef, and we're going to cook it until it's cooked all of the way through. And while we're cooking it, we'll crumble it. And you know what? I should have added the onions and the peppers first. So I'm going to go ahead and add the onions and the peppers. So we've got a half of an onion diced and a half a cup of diced onion. No, oh my God, I'm just freaking out. A half a red bell pepper diced and half a cup of onion diced. I am losing it. So we're going to cook all of this together until our ground beef is cooked all the way through. I'm also going to add in a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a half a teaspoon of chili powder, and a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Lots of yummy flavorings. Okay, we've got our ground beef cooked, our vegetables are softened. So I'm going to add in 8 ounces of cream cheese. I'm going to stir it in until it's melted into the ground beef. I just think this is such an easier way to add in a creamy element to soups instead of adding it after you add in the liquid. Just makes it so much easier to get it smooth. Then you don't have all of the cream cheese clumps in your soup. Okay, we've got that added in. I'm going to add in a 15-ounce can of fire-roasted diced tomatoes and also 2 cups of chicken broth. So that is pretty much it for our soup. I'm just going to let this heat up, get all of our chicken broth and our diced tomatoes heated through, and then this will be ready. Okay, our soup is ready. Let's put some into a bowl. It smells so good. It smells like queso soup. Okay, let's garnish it with a little bit of cheese, about 1/4 cup or so. Some diced avocado. Ooh, that looks amazing. Okay, time for a taste. You can see all of those tomatoes in there, the cheese, melty cheese. Yum. That is so dang good. Tastes like a taco. So be sure you check out this recipe. Also, check out this recipe for my keto taco pie. So good, just like this recipe, and so easy, just like this recipe too, and like all of my recipes. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.